Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be making French fries. Have you ever tried this recipe before? If not, will you try this recipe? Please comment down below. This is a quick and easy recipe that your kids and your family will adore you for. Let's get right into the video. For today's recipe, I will be working with 4 potatoes. The first thing you want to do is wash and peel your potatoes. After doing so, use a knife to remove the top and the bottom section. Then cut them like this. You don't have to stick to this size. It depends on what you like, so you can cut them bigger or smaller. After cutting the potatoes in the sizes that you like, it is time to slice them into desired pieces. Remember, the fry sizes are dependent on what you like. I will continue to do this until I am through. These are the sizes that I will be working with. Now put some cold water in a container. If you have ice cube, you can add them as well. Next, add a little salt and add your potato slices in. Combine this and leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. This is what it looks like after 30 minutes. The next step is to use the strainer to remove the water. Then pat them dry with a clean towel or napkin. In this tutorial, I am using napkin to pat them dry. After the drying process is completed, put a pot on your stove and add some oil. Make sure the oil is very hot. Put the fries in the pot. Leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they are completely crisp. When they are finished, you will see the change in color. Also, you will feel the different texture. If that is not enough, you can always taste test them. Make sure to repeat these steps until you are through. This is the finished product, super crispy and delicious. This is the end of this video. As always, I hope you have learned something new. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!